Example 7.1, a company sells engineering software. The company director claims that the more calls his sales team make, the more software license can get sold. So actually this one is hypothesis. So basically the first statement that I mentioned first adalah independent and then followed by dependent. So the first one is X and then the other one is Y because Y is influenced by X. Okay, so if X is increased, so means that more software can get sold. Okay, sales data from 10 sales engineers were collected to see if he is right. So draw a scatter plot to show the relationship between calls and sales. And then comment on the relationship. Okay, so actually comment on the relationship ini based on the marks given. If the marks is not too big, just do scatter plot and some comment. Kalau dia punya marks too big, so you kena to write down all the things that you learn in chapter 7. Okay, it's depend on the marks. Okay, so first, okay, so this is our X and then this one is Y. Okay, and then you need to scatter plot X and Y. Okay, so this is Y axis, which is a dependent variable, and then this one is X, independent variable. Okay, so actually this one we have only 8 points because some points are redundant, which is repeated. Okay, dekat sini. Okay, so actually point number 1 is same with number 9, and then point number 3 is same with number 7. So that's why we only have 8 points when we draw a scatter plot. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, because this one, dia ada 2 point kat sini. Okay, now. Okay, so this is our line. Okay, so means that if X increase, Y also increase. Okay, so there seems to be a positive correlation. Okay, positive correlation between number of software. So this one, we don't know the value of R yet. So just kita tahu dia positive correlation. Okay, and then as the number of call increase, so the number of software also increases. Now, question number B. Dia kata calculate the coefficient of correlation. Okay, so just value of R sahaja. So R and then comment on the value. So find the value of R. So first you need to find the summation of X, summation of Y, and then find each value, this one, point X times Y. So 20 times 30, so you get the value is 600. Okay, and then 40 times 60, 2,400. And then 20 times 40, 800. 30 times 60, 1,800. Okay, and then you need to total up this value. So you get summation of XY is 10,800. Okay, and then you need to do X power of 2. So this one lah. So 20 power of 2 is 400. 40 power of 2 is 1,600. Okay, and then 30 power of 2 is 900. Okay, and then you need to find the punya summation. Okay, and then you need to find Y power of 2. Okay, so for Y power of 2, so 30 power of 2, 900. Okay, and then 60 power of 2 is 3,600. Okay, and then 40 power of 2 is 1,600. And then total up, so you get the value for summation Y power of 2 is 22,100. Okay, so actually this is the last one that we want to know because this is the value that we need to substitute in our formula of coefficient of correlation. Okay, so this is the formula. Okay, just substitute the value. So since our n is 10, okay, so substitute. So 10 times total xy. Total xy is 10,800. Okay, now minus total submission of x, so 220, and then times 450, and then divide by third, square root 10 times total x power of 2. So this one 5,600. Okay, and then minus total x is 220, and then the other square root. Okay, after you substitute the value in this formula, so you get the value of R. Coefficient of correlation is 0.759. Okay, so compare with the summarized table. So since this value is fairly close to 1, so we can conclude that there is a strong positive relationship between costs and sales. Okay, so an increase in cost will most likely result in an increase in sales. So the director claims was true.